Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to view details of your completed trips in Walmart Spark Driver app. If you have not yet become a Walmart Spark Driver, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. Once approved, install the Spark Driver app and complete the in-app setup using my referral code MA30SUI so that we both can earn an incentive once you complete enough Spark trips. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out our future videos. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you'll see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on Trips. On this screen, you'll see two tabs, Offers and Completed. Tap on Completed. Here's the list of your completed trips. To proceed, tap on the particular completed trip you'd like to see the details. And now you'll see the details of your selected completed trip. That's how you view details of your completed trips in Walmart Spark Driver app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.